Hello, my name is Augusto Auman, and today I will be teaching you how to set an ad on Google AdWords. For this, you should have your email account already created, and we will start. Just the first thing you're gonna do is go or type on your browser adsgoogle.com, and the first page that will show up is gonna be this one. So you will be selecting the one of these campaigns. So there are several, as you can see: sales, leads, web traffic, and app promotion, brand awareness, and reach. For this app, I will be selecting web traffic, and the campaign type is going to be search. And there are other shopping like video, display, and discovery. So we will just choose search, which will drive more traffic to my website, to your website. And after this, you just click continue, and after this will be showing up this one, which you will type your URL of your website or also landing page, and then click to continue. And here you will name the campaign name of this campaign. So as you can see, I have wrote it here: get paid to travel. This is my ad campaign. And after this, you will have to choose the search network and display. In this case, I will just unmark these because it's not for me required. And after this, you will just choose your location. I don't know where you are from, so where you want to run an ad. So in my case, I choose Peru because I am from Peru and I will be running the ad in Peru. So I will be choosing also the language. You can choose the language you want to run. I don't know which language you speak. If you want to run an ad in English or Spanish or whatever language you would like to. So I will choose Spanish and English. And also you can choose the audience. You can search which audience, like travel, luxury travel, business travel, cruise travel, and it depends what is your audience. And the next part is the budget. This is what or how much money you want to spend each day for your ad. It's suggested $10 each day for everyone. Most of people recommend $10, and the betting is gonna be the cost per click, the bit limit of cost per click. So I have chosen, or I have put 1.25 for each click. And the next part is just save and continue to the next step. And also this is important, the end and start date. So you don't spend money, you don't get charged much money, so you save money and you don't spend or throw away your money. It's important to set the start and end date. As you can see here, I have set my start and end dates. And after this, we just make click to continue, and this will show up the next page, which is the ad group and the keywords, which is very important. You should know which keywords to choose. Like in my case, is the keywords are cheap cruises, cruises for 2016 or 2021 or 22. It depends. Cheap cruises deals, Australian cruises, and like different keywords that should be shown in the ad. It depends what you are doing, which kind of ad you are running for. So after this, just save and continue. And we are almost done. In this part, you should type your landing page and the headline 1, headline 2, headline 3, and the descriptions are very important. As you can see, I have chosen my headline, get paid to travel, and headline 2 is best experiences cruising. You should choose, like as you can see here, like amazing itineraries, cruising for less, cruising for free, and get paid to cruise. It depends what you are trying to show in your ad, and people will get attention through these ads or keywords or headlines. And then just after this, click and continue is gonna be the next part. So you're almost done. Congratulations, your campaign is ready. As you can see, everything is ready, everything is set up, and you just need to confirm and your ad is ready.